Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 1.2. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. There are four subdivisions, so let's take the first one. Set A has elements A, B, C, D, and set B has elements D, C, B, A. So when do we call two sets as equal? If the number of elements in each sets match and the elements in both the sets also should be the same. So in this case, A has 4 elements, B has 4 elements. So the first condition is true. Now let's see if we have the same elements in both the sets. In set A, it is written as A, B, C and D. In set B, they've only jumbled the order, but here too the elements are A, B, C and D. Therefore, set A is equal to set B. Now let's try the second subdivision. Here, set A is equal to 4, 8, 12 and 16. So the set A has 4, 8, 12, 16. Let's note the elements in set B. So it is 8, 4, 16, 18. So then let's check the two conditions. In set A, there are 4 elements, 4, 8, 12 and 16. In B also there are 4 elements. Now let us see if the elements match here. Set A has 4, set B has 4, set A has 8, set B has 8, set A has 12, there is no 12 in set B. So with that confirmation itself, we can say that A is not equal to B because every element in both the sets has to match exactly the same. So now let's look at the third option. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So A is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now for set B is not given in the rooster form. So let's try to write the elements of set B in rooster form first. So B is x is positive even integer and x is less than or equal to 10. So even positive integers. Since it's a positive integers, we will start with 2 and not 0 because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and it says less than or equal to 10. So I have to include 10 also in set B. Now if you compare, set A has 5 elements, set B also has 5 elements and every element in A is also there in set B. Therefore, A is equal to B. Now let's look at the last option. A is going to be having elements x where x is a multiple of 10. So again here it is a not rooster form, so let's convert that. It is a multiple of 10. So I'm going to put that as 10, 20, 30 and so on. We cannot conclude this because this is going to be an infinite set. Now let's look at set B. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. So it is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. If you see, both A and B are infinite sets. So counting by the number of elements is not going to help us. Let's see if the elements exactly match. 10 is in A, 10 is in B, but B has an element 15 which is not there in A. So this case, A is not going to be equal to B. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fifth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.